Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the default font settings, including font size, style, and the color in Microsoft Outlook. This will allow you to customize your email just the way you like them. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, you simply open your Microsoft Outlook, then just simply click on the File tab at the top left-hand side corner, and over here, just simply click on the Options menu. Now this will open the options dialog box, so in this menu all you have to do is just simply select Mail, which will be in the left-hand side panel, which you can see right over here. Now in the Compose Message section, let me click on Stationery and Fonts over here. Now this section lets you change the default font for new email messages, replying or forwarding messages, and for corresponding and reading plain text messages. Over here, you will see three options. So one is for new mail messages, one for replying or forwarding messages, and lastly for composing and reading plain text messages. Just let me select the button that you want to modify, and once you will do that, a dialog will appear where you have to choose your preferred font style, size, and the color, which you can see right over here. This is a similar option like this in Word and Excel as well, so I'm just going to choose whatever you want. You can see your sample text right over here as well. Once you have decided all the colors and text size and font that you want, all you have to do is just simply click on OK right over here in the Outlook menu. And finally, again, click on OK. Now, your emails will use the new default font settings that you just created. So that's it. You have successfully customized the default font size, style, and color in Microsoft Outlook. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.